Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel. I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, everything in the crypto space. I talk about crypto news, and currently we are 2,205 subscribers. And this morning, like I always do, I look for crypto news and I give you guys various crypto news because a lot of people might not have time to start searching for news. So when I see a news that is interesting and I feel you guys should know, I'll quickly let you guys know. If you're watching my video for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, join over 2,205 people that are supporting this channel, that love this channel. That being said, let's go straight to the news I want to talk about today. So I saw this news on cointelegraph.com. This particular news is that top US bank offers big incentives to lure crypto talent. Now, this is an interesting news. They said LinkedIn reports that site-wide job listings relating to crypto are up more than 600% since August last year. Over 600% listing of jobs that concerns cryptocurrency on LinkedIn. And LinkedIn is like the biggest professional job search platform. Like when it comes to career, it comes to job searching and stuff like that, LinkedIn is the best place to go to. So they said there's more than 600% increase in job related to cryptocurrency. Why am I sharing this? The reason I'm sharing this is because a lot of people in this community are interested in cryptocurrency. They're interested in investing. They want to make money from cryptocurrency. They're looking at coins to invest in. They want to learn more about cryptocurrency. Basically, this is an opportunity for you to realize that cryptocurrency is a big deal. And if you begin to learn cryptocurrency and you begin to understand the way cryptocurrency works, you'll be positioning yourself for the future and you have opportunities of getting good, better, high-paying jobs. Now, they said top US-based banks and financial institutions have filled more than 1,000 positions for crypto experts in the last 3 years. According to November 1st report, that was yesterday from Bloomberg, financial institutions are offering significant bonuses to attract crypto talent, with human resource consultant Johnson Associates estimating that crypto position pay salaries that are between 20% and 30% higher than comparable positions not related to the digital currency. So basically, if you are in the crypto space, you are in the digital space, you have knowledge about cryptocurrency, if probably you're a journalist and you are more concerned about writing crypto news and stuff like that, the money you're going to be earning will be 20 or 30% higher than another journalist that's just writing about entertainment or any other bit. If you're somebody that you are into tech and your coding is connected to the blockchain technology, developing blockchain technology and stuff like that, anything connected to the crypto space, you are likely going to earn more than somebody that is coding that is not in this space. That is what this particular stuff means. So the firm added that many senior crypto roles benefit up to 50% bump in salary over comparable position. So if you are into cryptocurrency, you tend to earn more. That cryptocurrency is relatively new and is getting more attention by the day. So a lot of technological development in the financial sector has started from cryptocurrency, especially using the blockchain technology. So because of this, a lot of people are now interested in cryptocurrency. So one thing you can do if you are my subscribers, you are following my channel, is begin to learn about cryptocurrency so that you can position yourself in making good money in the future. Look at this. It said the firm added that many senior crypto roles benefit up to 50% bump in salary over comparable positions, with managing director Alan Johnson concluding that the banks cannot run the risk that their clients go to another bank to do these services, so they need to build up. They don't have a choice. The traditional form of banking and everything, they will all adjust and will accept cryptocurrency. It's something that they cannot stop. Cryptocurrency is way bigger. The market capitalization of cryptocurrency is massive. It's trillions of dollars. So it is something that the banks just have to jump into. Research firm Revelio Labs analyzed that 287 crypto related hiring from Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Fidelity and JP Morgan Chase, the four largest employers of digital asset talent on the professional social networking site LinkedIn. Revelio concluded that crypto specialists enjoy a 9% pay raise over their banking co-workers on average. In October, LinkedIn reported that the site web job listing for positions relating to cryptocurrency and blockchain technology has jumped over 615% increase since August 2020. Guys, this is where I'm going to stop this news, but basically you get the message I'm trying to pass across. If you don't really have more to do, you're trying to change your career, you want to make more money, you have interest in cryptocurrency, you need to pursue this interest, you need to pursue this passion, you need to begin to learn more about cryptocurrency, because this is where the world is. The world is already accepting and adapting to cryptocurrency. And if you're among the early birds that understand the way cryptocurrency work, you can use it to set yourself for a very good career path. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, put links in my description, links on how to make extra money, links on our website Knowledge Gap Expert, where we post interesting content that you would not like to miss, and link on how to set up your Binance account. That being said, make sure you check out these links. Bye for now. I hope to see you in my next video where I give you another interesting content.